Hi everyone. I just want to do a quick little video on how you could leverage Kali Linux to create a site that would trick somebody into putting their username and password in. So today we're going to do like a Google account site, so if you wanted to log into your Gmail account or whatnot. So for this attack to work, we would need you to click on the link. So we won't talk about the link too much today, but we'll talk about how quick it is to use Kali Linux to build this site for this type of attack. So let's get started. So if we click on applications and we go down to exploitation tools, click on social engineering, and so we're going to use this tool, which is called the Social Engineer Toolkit. So it's a menu-driven tool, so pretty straightforward. So here we go. So first we want to do a number one, which is a social engineering attack. We want to use the website attack vectors. So we want to build a website basically. And now what we want to do is use the number three, the credential harvester attack method. So basically we're just trying to we're trying to get them to put in their username and password, and then we can see it. So we're going to click on number three. For today's demonstration, we're going to use a template that's already pre-built for Google, but what you could do in theory is clone a site. So if there was a website you wanted to get somebody's password from, you could put in the real domain name of that site, and this program will go out, take that site and how it looks, build it, and then it'll make sense in a second. So let's do number one for website templates. This is the technical part of it. So technically we want all the passwords to come back to this computer that I'm on right now, so we're not going to make any changes there. To do this in the real world, it would require a bit more effort and setup, but this is how quickly, with as little knowledge, that you can set something like this up. This is the demonstration today. So if we click on 2 for Google, we understand. Now, we're ready to go. So if we created the link, had somebody go to it, so for today, it's our IP address, 0.2.15, and there we go. On the face of it, looks like Google's account site, where you would sign in to all of your Google accounts. So let's do it. So now, I don't know if you've noticed, but as soon as we hit this site, so as soon as we went to it, we saw that over here in our little window that somebody's connected to the site. So let's say I want to log in as myself. So Dave at whatever, gmail.com. That's not my real address, but my password would be password 123456, just to be secure. And then I'm going to click on sign in. So here's what happened. If you notice in the right hand side, we've got the email address I put in and the password. Me as a user, though, that I just put in my credentials, right? And I'm trying to log into Google. Now I've gotten flipped to the Google homepage, to the search page. So basically, at this point, I'm thinking to myself, oh, I didn't log in. So I would just click on sign in and then log in again. I wouldn't really know that anything bad happened in that transaction, because now I'm flipped to the site. I don't know what it is anymore. I'd have to go back and click on the original link to get back here anyways. So this is a really good example of just how quick that an attacker could create a phishing site like this to get your email and password. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful.